Hi! In front of me is Amazon Fire HD 10, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once on this device. First of all, you need to open Photos app. Then hold one of your pictures that you wish to get rid of. In my case, this one. Now to select multiple ones right away, click on this dot at the top left corner. So when I do that, as you can see, all of my photos were successfully selected. In order to delete them, tap on those three dots at the top right corner and click on Move to Trash. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!